Your title insurance policy may protect you against many ownership problems, but it may not cover every risk connected to your particular property. That's where title insurance endorsements come in. Hi, I'm Caitlin with Legacy Title Agency. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what title insurance endorsements are, what they may cover, and whether you might need one when buying or refinancing a home in Michigan. A title insurance endorsement is an addition to a title insurance policy that changes, expands, or clarifies its coverage. Think of the title policy as the foundation of your protection, and an endorsement helps tailor that policy to address a particular property, loan, or ownership concern. An endorsement is not a separate title insurance policy, and it doesn't automatically provide unlimited protection. Every endorsement has its own terms, conditions, and exclusions. So what can title endorsements cover? Well, there are many types of title insurance endorsements. Depending on the property and the transaction, an endorsement may address issues involving property access, survey matters or boundary lines, zoning restrictions affecting the property, condominium or planned community ownership, certain liens, future changes in interest rates or loan terms, certain forms of deed or mortgage forgery. For an example, an ALTA 49 endorsement can be added to certain eligible owners' title insurance policies to provide coverage for certain forged deeds or mortgages recorded after the policy date. Something like an ALTA 9 endorsement can be added to certain lenders or loan policies to provide the lender with additional coverage involving matters such as restrictions, encroachments, and mineral rights, subject to the specific endorsement that's issued. Now, some endorsements are designed primarily to protect lenders, while others may provide additional protection to the property owners. So that means that availability and coverage depends on the property, the transaction, the policy, and even the title insurance underwriter, which is who's issuing the policy. So, do you need a title insurance endorsement? Do you have to have one? Well, not every endorsement is necessary or even available for every transaction. If you're obtaining a mortgage, your lender may require certain endorsements to be added to the lender's title insurance policy. And remember, these endorsements protect the lender's interest. Other endorsements may be available with an owner's title insurance policy to provide additional protection for you as the homeowner. The right endorsements really just depend on a number of factors, such as the type of property, how the property is going to be used, whether it's residential or commercial, how you're financing the purchase, or the results of the title search and the survey. And sometimes it has to do with the title insurance underwriter's requirements. So a common question we get is, do these endorsements cost extra? And let me tell you, some endorsements are included with certain policies at no charge, while others require an additional charge. The cost and availability can vary, again, based on the endorsement, the property, the policy, the underwriter, and even sometimes state requirements. So are endorsements the same as fixing a title problem? This is a question we get a lot. And the simple answer is no. An endorsement does not necessarily remove or correct a known title issue. Instead, it modifies the insurance coverage relating to a specific risk. So some problems must still be resolved before the title company can issue the policy or the endorsement. That's why it's important to review your title commitment before closing and ask questions about any of those requirements, exceptions, or the endorsements that you don't understand. So, what is a title insurance endorsement? It's an addition that helps customize a title insurance policy for a particular property owner, lender, or risk. If you are buying, selling, or refinancing property in Michigan, Legacy Title Agency can explain the endorsements connected to your transaction and help you understand what your title insurance policy actually covers. Contact Legacy Title Agency for a safer, simpler, and more transparent Michigan real estate closing. And subscribe for more easy-to-understand videos about title insurance and the closing process.